Today, we will talk about 5 cool yoga accessories that are worth purchasing, from the simplest to the most advanced. From yoga blocks that provide the stability and balance, to interactive yoga mat turns stretching into a fun game for daily motivation. But before we begin, all the products are at the bottom of the description. Please take a look. Number 1. Enjoy stretching and get better at it with the Celelp Interactive Yoga Mat. Featuring a smart mat, camera-laden bar, interactive handles, and an app, it provides interactive feedback for improved body posture. Moreover, this smart yoga mat includes an LED screen to guide your hands and feet placement. It also shows simple indications, such as earned points and the remaining time, to help guide you through a game. Furthermore, Celelp's handles are separable from the bar and emit different colors of lights for a fun experience. All the while, the handles allow you to stretch even further and accurately check your posture. Number 2. Get the most out of your workout with the Yoga Flexor versatile portable training device. With 5 systems in one, the Yoga Flexor combines resistance and weight training as well as flexibility. Best of all, it's all held together by a zipper. In addition, the yoga mat can roll out to the length of your choice. It also has footholds to secure your feet. The resistance band also offers 25 pounds of smooth resistance, just like free weights. The entire Yoga Flexor system is the ideal weight for high repetition training. Finally, the Yoga Flexor has an internal foam roller to massage and stretch your muscles after a session. Number 3. There's nothing zen about walking down the street while your yoga mat tries to wriggle itself out of your yoga bag. And while some bags look long enough, the mat still feels unsupported. But the Zenifit bag is 33.5 inches long, so only 25% of your mat sticks out the top. And there's plenty of space to add blocks and straps. So go ahead, measure the width of your mat now, and if it's the standard 24 inches wide, or even an extra thick mat, then this is the tall yoga bag you were looking for. Number 4. Almost every yoga block claims to provide some degree of support and stability. But, the bulky shape of the traditional flat block and awkward wrist position can make you feel wobbly on the blocks. Consider venturing beyond the flat, bulky block. Embrace the hand-shaped curves of wrist buddy blocks that provide enhanced comfort and stability. Getting a grip with wrist buddy blocks can spring you forward, closer to your personal practice goals. Number 5. Get even more out of your practice with the Zenosity wheel. With this wheel in your yoga setup, you'll be able to reach the deepest of stretches and perfect your poses. In fact, this yoga wheel can support up to 440 pounds in weight with a 13-inch diameter and 5-inch width. This tool is useful without taking up too much space. It's easy to take it with you, in your car to practice your flow on the beach or in class. Rather than using plastic, Purity Wave chose to make this wheel of sustainable cork. The company practices eco-friendly tactics by stripping bark instead of cutting down trees.